My name's Jeremiah Woodford. I'm Chief Revenue Officer for Verusen. So we got started a little over 8 years ago as a joint venture with Georgia Tech Institute of Technology, where we took Stanford's open source large language model and took a copy of that and started training it on MRO data sets, so maintenance, repair, operations data sets from your typical EAM providers. So all your 3-letter acronym providers out there and eMaint and others, and started trying to solve what most customers think are almost impossible to solve, but this large language model was really good and it's got some really cool capabilities to unlock what people have been trying to do with data cleansing efforts for years now. The biggest thing I leave everybody with is that, one of the cool things that we see with this partnership with eMaint and the Fluke team is you guys are the predominant leader in reliability, and getting a tighter integration to an eMaint solution. Our goal is to build AI agents that are optimizing and really taking away the mundane task of data entry and making sure, do you have the right spare parts and when. We have customers that have 1 million items in their catalog and 10 material managers and procurement people. There's no way to go through those items to determine, do we have the right price, do we have the right supplier, is the supplier delivering it on time, is the stocking strategy correct? And that's what we're trying to do, is bring pure automation and intelligence to this.